Have you ever wondered how your body knows exactly how much energy to use? How it fine-tunes your metabolism, heart rate, and body temperature with incredible precision? It's not magic, it's a sophisticated communication network deep inside you. And today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of its master control systems, the hypothalamic pituitary thyroid axis, or the HPT axis for short. Think of it as the ultimate command chain for your body's energy budget. It all starts in your brain, in a tiny but mighty region called the hypothalamus. So, what exactly is the hypothalamus? Imagine it as the CEO of a massive corporation, your body. It's constantly monitoring internal and external conditions. Is it cold outside? Are you stressed? Have you eaten? Based on all this data, it makes executive decisions. When it comes to your metabolism, the hypothalamus initiates the process by releasing a special messenger molecule called thyrotropin-releasing hormone, or TRH. This is the first command in the chain. TRH doesn't travel far. Its destination is another small but crucial gland located just below the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland. Think of the pituitary as the senior manager who receives orders directly from the CEO. The pituitary gland is often called the master gland because it controls so many other hormonal systems in the body. In the HPT axis, a specific part of the pituitary gland, the anterior pituitary, detects the TRH released by the hypothalamus. This signal from TRH is like an email landing in the senior manager's inbox with the subject line, "Time to check on the thyroid department." In response, the pituitary gland releases its own messenger hormone into the bloodstream. This hormone is called thyroid-stimulating hormone, or TSH, as its name suggests. TSH has one primary mission: to travel through your circulatory system and stimulate your thyroid gland. Now we move from the brain down to the neck, where the thyroid gland is located. It's a small, butterfly-shaped gland that sits right at the base of your throat. The thyroid is like the factory floor of our operation. When TSH arrives from the pituitary gland, it binds two receptors on the thyroid cells. This is the signal for the factory to start production. And what does it produce? The stars of the show. Thyroid hormones. The two main ones are thyroxine, also known as T4, and triiodothyron, or T3. T4 is the primary hormone produced, but it's mostly a storage form. T3 is the more active, potent form. And much of the T4 is converted into T3 in other parts of the body, like the liver and kidneys. These thyroid hormones, T3 and T4, are the workers that go out and get the job done. They travel throughout your entire body, influencing nearly every cell. They crank up your metabolism, which means they control how quickly your cells convert fuel into energy. This affects your body temperature, keeping you warm. They regulate your heart rate, ensuring your blood is pumped efficiently. They play a vital role in digestion, muscle function, and even brain development and mood. When your thyroid hormone levels are just right, you feel energetic, sharp, and balanced. They are the reason you have the get up and go to live your life. But here's where the system gets truly brilliant. How does the body know when to stop? If the hypothalamus just kept sending out TRH, and the pituitary kept pumping out TSH, your thyroid would go into overdrive, producing way too many hormones. This would lead to a condition called hypothyroidism, with symptoms like a racing heart, anxiety, and weight loss. To prevent this, the HPT axis has an elegant feedback mechanism. It's a negative feedback loop. Think of it like the thermostat in your house. When the temperature reaches the set point, the furnace shuts off. In your body, the thyroid hormones T3 and T4 act as that feedback signal. As T3 and T4 levels rise in the bloodstream, They travel back up to the brain and are detected by both the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland. This tells the CEO and the senior manager, hey, the factory floor is working perfectly. We have enough product for now. In response, the hypothalamus reduces its production of TRH, and the pituitary gland reduces its production of TSH. Less TSH means less stimulation for the thyroid gland, which then slows down its production of T3. Conversely, if your thyroid hormone levels drop too low, the opposite happens. The hypothalamus and pituitary detect the low levels. This is a signal that the body needs more energy. The lack of negative feedback prompts the hypothalamus to release more TRH, which tells the pituitary to release more TSH. The increased TSH then stimulates the thyroid to produce more T3 and T4, bringing the levels back up to normal. This explains what happens in hypothyroidism, where an underactive thyroid can lead to fatigue, weight gain, and feeling cold. The brain is screaming for more hormones, but the thyroid isn't responding adequately. So, let's recap this incredible biological loop. The hypothalamus says, go. By releasing TRH, the pituitary receives this message and says, get to work. By releasing TSH, the thyroid gets the message and produces T3 and T4, which then travel throughout the body to manage our energy and metabolism. Finally, these same thyroid hormones circle back to the brain and say, okay, that's enough for now. Shutting down the initial signals. This constant conversation between your brain and your thyroid happens every second of every day without you ever having to think about it. Understanding the HPT axis is crucial because disruptions anywhere along this chain can cause significant health problems. For instance, a problem with the hypothalamus or pituitary, like a tumor, could prevent them from sending the right signals, leading to what's called secondary or tertiary hypothyroidism. More commonly, the issue lies with the thyroid gland itself. As in Hashimoto's disease, an autoimmune condition where the body's own immune system attacks the thyroid. This is primary hypothyroidism. Doctors can measure levels of TSH, T3, and T4 in your blood to diagnose these conditions and pinpoint where the communication breakdown is occurring. A high TSH level, for example, often indicates that the pituitary is trying very hard to stimulate a thyroid that isn't responding. The HPT axis is a beautiful example of the body's intricate and intelligent design. It's a delicate dance of hormones and feedback loops that keeps our internal world running smoothly. From a single thought or environmental cue processed by the hypothalamus, a cascade of events unfolds that affects your energy, mood, and overall well-being. It highlights just how interconnected our body systems are, with the brain acting as the central conductor of a vast and complex orchestra. So next time you feel that burst of energy after a good night's sleep, or notice your body warming up during exercise, you can thank the silent, tireless work of your HPT axis. I hope this journey into the HPT axis has given you a new appreciation for the amazing things happening inside your body right now. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about how your body works, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.